I don't know why some people are so heartless. I don't know why some women that they are born in Nigeria and they left Nigeria and they went to overseas and start behaving like mad woman, mad people in overseas. This lady here that you are seeing on my screen that called Loio, I don't know her from nowhere. I don't have any issue with her. She always do on her own show. She has a page called Loio Talk Show. And suddenly, I was scrolling on my Facebook yesterday. Then I saw this. She posted my picture and my fiancé picture that in himself, in wife, like in daughters, and the pikin where she born die. Because I don't know, maybe one user and collect followers from you. Maybe you said one drawn fracas or you want draw bloggers, but me, I'm not a bloggers. Na charity work they do, madam. But this thing that you do, you will not go free. You will not go free. Oh, you love her. I hear say you be a do girl. You will not go free. I don't know why some people are so heartless, why some people are so wicked. You, this woman that you call yourself Loio, you will not go free. Oh. This thing that you post, that you did, actually I'm not about to come out from, but it's too much. It's too much. Why some people will just come out and post my picture and my wife picture, say your wife die or your children die or your grandpikin die? Madam, anywhere where you dey, you no go die better. This you where they call you Loio, where you be Edo pikin or you are from Edo State. Anywhere where you dey, your children now they go die this year 2022. I don't joke with my relationship. I've never crossed my boundary. If you are making money on Facebook, me, I don't make money on Facebook. I have so many people on Facebook. I don't make money on Facebook. If you dey make money for Facebook, not me, go call you score followers or something. If I not delete her for your page yesterday now, if I leave am. Immediately when she posted that thing yesterday, it's not up to 1 hour, she went back and deleted it. But she no know say me, I don't still touch am. So many people don't still touch am. Even say somebody send it to me on WhatsApp, I say I have already saw it. When she posted it, I saw it 11 minutes ago yesterday. Then I calmed down, I couldn't say anything. If you dey spoil your fellow woman out there, I don't care for your page. If you like spoil your fellow woman, when they talk about what is be the name of this girl? Lola, what is be the name of this girl? This girl where she and her husband they fight. What is be her name, sir? Cora. You dey spoil that girl. You dey tell me that girl. Go dey post video where we say she don dey even dey dance before. Say she dey dance with another man. You dey spoil the girl. Your fellow Nigerian lady. Abeg, no be Facebook fracas you be. No be social media you can dey hit. Lola, wetin be your name? This Edo woman. Evil woman, wicked soul. Madam, no pass your boundary, oh. If you pass your boundary, me, my home be say I dey do charity work on Facebook. I am not into fracas. And I will never be into fracas. Anybody where you know this lady, may help me tag this video to her. Whatsoever called Loio, I'll be waiting to be her name. Which kind thing is they wish your family? Which kind thing is they wish your family? You go to my Facebook profile page, screenshot my picture and my fiancé picture, and you now post it on your own page, on your own personal page. Are you out of your senses? Did I offend you? Did I even talk to you before? Did I know you before? Are you out of your senses? Woman, this is woman. Are you out of your senses? Are you alright? Madam, are you alright? Please, I am giving you the last warning. Thank God you have deleted it, but I am giving you the last warning. My God will fight for me. People have warned me a lot not to bring my relationship on social media. Then I did not. I kept quiet, doing my little things I have to be doing. I have to be looting things with what I am doing. I'm not doing Facebook fracas. I don't come on Facebook, start challenging people's life, start destroying people's life, or start destroying my fellow human being. I know I don't have money, but I'm doing the kind of the blessing that God gives to me, the kind of knowledge God gives to me. How many people have you helped, Lolo? Tell me, since when this year 2022 don't start, how many people you don't help? You way they call yourself a dope pikin, a dope woman. How many people you don't help? How many people you don't help? You will come out on your social, on your page. They destroy people. They talk about. I never see one day where we say you don't ever talk good things before. You better be careful. You better be careful. You better be careful. I don't joke with my relationship. I don't joke with my family. Lolo, be careful with me. They born you well. If they born you well, if they born you well, I don't want to talk. I just know. But just for their about it. I bet anybody where you know, may you go help me tag this video, make she see her. Because I go to her page yesterday when she did do live show yesterday. Then I say, why is she that she deleted that post that she posted about me and my fiancé? The next thing she blocked me. I can't say all kind of things. More like people beg and wait till I do her. Wait till I do this evil woman. More like people beg and wait till I do this evil woman. When I be beg and wait till I do when she come tell me say, well, on I see where she quotes, on I see where she type. When I help me share this video, this Loio, this woman won't wait. Now talk on I go fire you, no go die better. Now all your pikin where you born, now they go die. Now your pikin where you born, now they go die. Not me and hear me see. For one, they use me, they make money. Not this kind things. Not the kind things. When last have I been hear me say on social media, or I show her on social media, except you people hear her voice yesterday when I was cooking village rice, and the other day when I was cooking egusi. Now your children, Lolo, your children, now they go die. As as they come out, they spoil people image for social media. They use and they make money. Now your children, now they go die. Now your generation, now your children, your generation, now they go begin to die. This 2022, no go die better for you. The tongue wey you dey for that your village, wey you dey for Benin, na him go strike you die. The tongue wey you dey for Benin, wey you dey strike for Benin as rain dey fall, na him go strike you die. This Loio. If I offend you, if I curse my bangle, this swear wey I dey swear, na him no go happen to you. But if I no curse my bangle, na him this swear go happen to you. All this swear wey I dey curse you, it go happen to you. Now Benin tonga, I know say if you don't get it, be Benin get. Now you know as Benin tonga tell you strike. Now you go strike you die. Now you go strike down your mouth. That your mouth where you can talk for social media. Now you go strike you. I don't want to talk you about. If I talk you about that cost go heavy. But my fellow long lower. Thank you all. God bless you.